Hi everyone! The first assignment in this photography course is to learn about the attributes that make up a great photograph. In our Schoology page, it is the orange folder, Attributes of Photography and Composition, and it's the first assignment, the attributes of great photography. The presentation you're going to want to study is the PowerPoint. Underneath is the handout that you will complete to take the notes on the PowerPoint. When I click on a link, you'll see that it appears on the bottom left. Here is the attributes of great photography that you will complete. You will have to enable editing to make all of your notes. The PowerPoint, here it is at the bottom. I like to enable editing, and so I can open it and see it all the way. There are some specific differences between a snapshot and a photograph. Snapshots are taken quickly, there's usually not much planning involved, and not much regard for lighting, composition, background, or technical issues. A photograph, on the other hand, can be taken quickly, but it has much more planning involved. There's always consideration as to where the light is, what effect it has on the photograph, what is in the background, how is the composition, and a lot more consideration for technical issues. The first attribute that makes up a great photograph is light. And you can read through the bullet points in the notes. These bullet points are to be summarized on the handout that I had just shown you. So you are to summarize each of the bullet points. So this bullet point, metaphorically, it is one of the logistic building blocks of photography. You do not need to write that whole line, but you should summarize it in a way that makes sense. So maybe say light is a logistic building block of photography. Composition is the second attribute of great photography, and there will be a second assignment looking more in depth at composition and balance in photography. You're going to learn the rules of composition, and you are welcome to break them and kind of build up your own sense of style in your photographs. Timing is the third attribute of great photography. It takes lots and lots of pictures to get those moments in time, the decisive moment. So take a lot of pictures, engage the shutter button to get the compositions and the meaning that you want. The last attribute is clear subject. Many students, it is very helpful for them as they start to take photographs to think about what it is that you want to say with your photograph and take out unnecessary elements, background distractions. Simplify the image to really communicate what it is you want to say. Those are your four attributes of great photography: light, composition, timing, and clear subject. In order to get the full points, make sure all the bullet points are completed. When you're done, you will go up to File, Save As. You are going to want to save it into your J Drive folder. I would just call this the attributes of great photography. That's fine. Press Save. And then you are going to go into the Schoology page and you'll make a submission. And that is your first assignment in photography class.